Did you know that possession for sale of a controlled substance could land you in prison? Generally, this crime can be a state prison offense. It can be sentenced to either 2, 3, or 4 years in the state prison. And in some situations, it can be longer. Usually, a qualified defense attorney is going to help understand California Health and Safety Code Section 11351, meaning possession for sale. Some of the drugs that you could be found responsible for possession and sale include cocaine, opiates, LSD, prescription medications, in fact, that are not prescribed to you. Often, possession for sale means that you knew or in fact had a controlled substance on your person. You knew that in fact was a controlled substance, that it was a amount that was otherwise usable, and you had purchased it or held it for purposes of sale to a third party. In some situations, in order to show that you in fact intended to sell the specific item, they look at the circumstances surrounding the possession, along with the items you possessed. Sometimes that can be individual packages or packaging associated with that specific drug. It could be scale or items used to break up that drug into smaller pieces for portions of sale. In some situations, they need not a statement from you to even show these things. They consider the totality of the evidence that they have to make that determination as to whether or not you in fact intended to sell that specific controlled substance. Keep in mind how the police came across information as to whether or not you in fact possessed that drug, how they conducted the search, why they conducted the search. In fact, you never want to give a statement to the police. That means invoking your right to remain silent. If you have questions, you need qualified defense counsel in that situation to ensure, in fact, that you are protected. And sometimes the amount that you possess may not be a usable amount, or possession of that specific drug may be for personal use, and there may not be any other indicia of potential sale, just in big quantity. After being arrested for possession of a controlled substance for sale, please give us a call.